Hey everyone, I hope you're having a super fantastic day wherever you might be in this video. I'm going to take the Ranger Grip 158 and do a couple of modifications to it. It's so cold outside, I can't go into the woods, so I'm going to just stay at home and keep my hands busy without cutting them. Stick and stay, you know, I like it that way.
I can't stand intros.
Okay, so in order to do this mod, you're going to need a pocket clip of some kind. I always like the Night Eyes because I can remove it, and when I do put it on, it stays pretty good. You're going to need some double-sided tape, some acetone, and of course a Ranger grip. So I like to clean the surface of the pocket clip before I put that double-sided tape on. This 3M, I think this is 3M. This stuff is really good. Somewhere about there. Somewhere about there. Yeah, that'll work. Take some scissors. Cut it nice and close. And I think that'll be close enough. And that's basically what you got. Good double-sided tape. I've done this 1,000 times over the years, and I always take it off. You know, I'll have it on a multi-tool for a little while. I get tired and I take it off. That's the one thing I like about this, is that it's not permanent. Make sure that that's on really, really good. Let's go to the next step. Okay, so I kind of like it right about here. It's kind of where I think, because I've just held it here. I can still access the tweezers and the Firefly. If I go up any higher, I think it's going to be a problem. I don't like it too low, so I think this is a good spot. I'll use that black Ranger grip as a guide. Kind of keep it in that area. And I've already tried it in my hand, so it feels pretty good, so off we go. Sometimes I find taking this this tape off to be a little bit tricky, and it's very tricky on the camera. There we go. So you know you got a good grip. That acetone and the tape made a good contact, where you can pull the tape off and you're not pulling the double-sided tape off at the same time. So I like to line it up. It's kind of hard to do behind the camera, but I think I'll be okay. Somewhere about there. I haven't pressed down, but there's also a grip going on. So, but before I put that down there, I should take a little bit more of this acetone and maybe do one more clean in here, just in case there's a little bit of hand grease or hand oil. And I'll try this again. And I think that's kind of where I want to be. Yeah, That's not bad. Kind of like things centered. Yeah. I can still get it at the tweezers, no problem. Looks pretty good. It's right down the middle. Give it a good press. And there you have it. Because the double-sided tape is nice and thick-ish, it's going to follow any contours that might be in there. And there are some minor contours, so you just got to make sure you press down in that area below. If you're pushing down just here, you're only going to get pressure on these 2 points, so you kind of have to get inside and give it a little bit of tension. Not much, doesn't take much. This is going to be rock solid. So let's add one more mod to this knife. Oh, it's already done. Well, let's make it a one-handed opening. So we put a zip tie in there, nice and sturdy. The saw still opens, so it goes past, no problem. Doesn't affect anything, doesn't affect still works good. So one-handed opening and a pocket clip. All right, so let's try it out. Well, there you have it. There's a couple of modifications to the Ranger Grip 158. You could probably do these kind of modifications to any Ranger Grip. Just personalize it, make it a little bit more comfortable. I'm not using a pouch, and heck, I'm just carrying it around today. This is what I'm going to be carrying in my pocket. So if I need a knife, I don't have to one hand open it. The zip tie actually does make it even more comfortable than it ever was. So anyway, maybe there's something out there for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a super fantastic day. Bye for now.